to another episode of Legion Elite Motorsports. I'm your host, Isaiah. And today, as you can tell from the title picture, we have taken a couple steps back. Driving, changing lanes. Next thing you know, boom, windshield smashed into pieces. So we're going to show what we're going to do to fix, and we're going to fix, and we're going to take it from there. So we take a couple steps back, but we're going to take like 5 to 10 steps forward. So let's dive in. Let's see what we got and see what we come up with. The audio might be a little off, but some more junkyard adventures. We're looking to get this fine specimen of a windshield here. Has a little scar from a previous wiper installation, but I'm pretty sure that'll buff out, you know. It's already coming out with just rubbing it, so yeah, it should come all the way out. So yeah, wish us luck. We're gonna try not to break this one. Okay, again, the video output might not be correct on this video, but we're making progress. Okay, so that hinge there completely broke, and the hood went up and smashed the window, destroyed it there. This hinge is fine. I took out the cowl, and also I took out the braces for the window, which bolts in here. Let me show you that. So that bolts in like that, holding the window, so to speak. And took out the hinge. I got new hinges that will be here Monday. And I got my boy, Alexander, helping me out. You know, he was like, I can't let you go down like that. He's the same person that does the modification for the valve cover. So remember, if you need your K-series coils on there with a diagram how to wire it, hit up Alexander. He'll hook you up, you know, and get you right down the road. But anyway, so what we got left is we got this hinge we're going to take off. As you can see, it's bent and rusted. We're not putting any of that back. I'm going to clean all of this up. And then we got another windshield. It's a success. We got the windshield from that last Mirage. And we're going to try to swap it out ourselves. The only thing we do have to do is Alexander's been working on getting the dents from when the hood, that guy there, hit it. So he got pretty much all of them out. There's like subtle small little dings, nothing too crazy. But we do have to find this seal. We have all of the clips for this guard, which is 3 of them, 3 different clips. Interesting. And yeah, it's looking good. Car's coming along. I got the wiper arms out. I got everything out, and she should be looking 100% in a bit. And hopefully I'll be able to show you guys what we're replacing that with on here. So we'll see. Okay, the wiper cowl arms have been de-rusted because all of this was rusted. Same deal here, rust. And clean this up, and we're gonna respray a matte black finish, and we're gonna get new wipers for these guys, get some clips and whatnot, get the car looking right. Okay, so the new windshield is installed. I actually contacted the professionals, my guys at True Glass Auto Glass. We pulled the windshield, which is perfect, but they were able to install it for an excellent price. I'll take this off as soon as it dries. They said it takes 48 hours, and I got to choose the trim I wanted for the top, and it's completely sealed, so I don't have to worry about any leaks. You know, I have to finish getting the rest of the pieces for the trim, Hood's going in the trash as soon as I can get my new one up and ready. We have new hinges for here. I have the clips and everything, so we should be good to go. Okay, so we put in the new hinges, repainted the cowl cover, or this cover, you get it. We painted the wiper arms, sanded them down, painted them. We put on brand new wipers, and we are doing the trim now. So we got these 3 red and the 1 white, and same deal for the other side. And then I'm gonna get this scratch out. It's actually raised, it's not indented into the glass, so this is surface. It could be polished off, and that's what I intend on doing. But it's looking like a car again, actually better than what it was, so can't be mad. And then they did the newer style trim up here, which goes under and makes it a little bit more flush, like this car. You see, this is how they do windows now versus, you know, 2000, 2001. So I did this style. To kind of give it a little bit more of a cleaner look. Nobody's ever going to notice, so whatever. Okay, so this is my dirty headliner. And because it's made out of pretty much cardboard, you can't get it wet to clean it real good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to hand clean it with as little amount of water as possible, and then we're gonna change the color to black. We'll give this a shot, see how that works. Okay, and here she is, completely blacked out. You know, it actually looks better in person. On camera, it looks kind of weird. But regardless to what, it is all blacked out. Like right here, maybe it's a light or something. Yep, light. Without the light, it looks very nice. So, gonna pop that bad boy in and see what happens. All right, pulling a late night shift. But basically what we're looking at is the factory little glue that they use ends up popping off. Then your whole roof becomes floppy. So what I did, what everybody should do, is grab you a caulking gun with some window welder and start getting this thing back its original strength, so it won't be floppy, so your dome light doesn't fall out, stuff like that. Same deal for the front. So everything is tight. That one, the one back there, and everything. So now we're ready to put back up the roof. Doing a night shift, but it's fine. Gonna put back up the roof and start putting it back together now that everything is nice and dry. And here is the ending result. It looks 100% beautiful. It is way better than it originally was, and it sucks that it took for the hood to hit the windshield to get all of this work done. And with that being said, we're gonna call it an episode there. So as you can tell, the car didn't stay down for too long. This actually happened a good amount of time ago. I'd call it maybe a month or so. But she's back alive. She's better than ever, and we're going to keep moving forward. So definitely, if this is the type of content you like to watch, definitely hit that like and subscribe and bell icon, get updated notifications, and I'll see you guys next episode. And remember, knowledge is power.